Hi guys, Daniel and John here, and welcome back to another one of our product unboxing review videos. And today we're going to look at something a little bit different from the normal channel videos, and it's some DeWALT men's safety boots available from Amazon. It's the DeWALT Sympatex men's safety boots. These ones are in brown, and it's the brown Challenger 4. We've got a size 12 here. They do all sorts of sizes, and we just thought what we'd do is do a quick review on this. So if you're thinking about
£70.
Yeah, they're not the cheapest thing in the world, but we have got DeWALT tools and good quality. So we're making this video because if you think about buying them, it'll give you an idea of what they look like in real life. Because obviously photos on Amazon's all right, but in real life it's a lot different sometimes.
Right. So you've got steel toe caps.
So the main features about these boots, if I can find them. So it says that it's full grain nubuck leather upper, waterproof and breathable Sympatex, which is the material, membrane and inner lining, has a padded tongue, a padded collar, has a steel toe cap and a steel midsole, and a TPU dual density outsole and PU comfort insole.
The steel midsole is to stop getting your nails in your feet. The steel toe cap to stop things if they drop on your toes and your feet.
Crushing your toes,
yeah.
yeah.
Steel midsole is quite a good idea, especially if you.
So we have, as I said earlier, we have got a fair few DeWALT tools, and today and this time we thought we'd try some of their footwear.
Not quite user information. Well, you get user information.
Was that just like details about it and things?
Penetration, resistance, electrical properties.
So if you was obviously these are really for contractors and things. So if you're looking for specific shoes that have various ratings, etc., then obviously you check that out.
Yeah, Jack Russell seemed attracted to them instantly. So immediately they look well packed. This is what you'd expect from DeWALT. Nice tissue paper. Now these are quite a big shoe, so I want for some socks. They're not overly heavy. They look bulky.
So we'll take a really good look at these. So if you are thinking about buying these for yourself, so here's the steel toe cap here. Extends to where my finger is, from there to there. So it's a fair whack. You've got the breathable ports here, allows the air in and out. Laces, all very nice quality. Lots of grip on the bottom.
Yeah, real loads of grip.
DeWALT logo. And let's have a look inside.
It's got this pull thing to put them on with.
So if you've got socks on, and that's how it's handy.
It says in there
They've got DeWALT. They've got Sympatex lining inside. So I'll
nice
try and get
and
that.
soft.
It all looks really nice. Breathable sole here.
Wicks moisture breathable. Looks real comfy.
All very nice quality.
Padded tongue.
Sorry, and this bit here is reinforced as well.
Yeah, that's
piece.
quite good, isn't it? Padded at the back round your ankles, so a bit of support.
So I get a shot of that. See, it's all padded, all nice quality.
So I guess the next thing is
to try one on.
Try one on. Now I'm normally a size 11, and I've gone for a 12 with these, just on the basis that I might want a couple of pairs of socks on. Oh, that's quite nice. Look, stretches out there.
So basically, there isn't a gap here that you'd normally find. It's all connected, and it just folds back on itself.
It's quite a good
steel
idea.
plate. Yeah, I'm not sure why that has steel plate text there, but
perhaps it
refers to this bit and then underneath.
Right. Now, immediately in slipping them on, you can feel the comfort straight away.
Yeah, they look like they'll be really comfortable as well.
Do you know what I'm going to do? Push the boat out.
Push the boat out and try both shoes on.
So it's the same again. Oh, in here's a sticker. Not sure what that's about. It's the only difference.
Let's have a look then. That's the materials and the protections and things, I think. Yeah.
Right.
We're not shoe experts. We're just doing a quick review on these, just in case you weren't buying them. So So yeah, DeWALT products tend to have a few labels when you get them. It's about their footwear, the different categories which might be important to you depending on what type of job you do. Sympatex, sustainability meets performance. These are the different things it offers.
Anti-static, that's quite important, might be important.
So as we said earlier, steel toe cap.
And the nails, stop nails going in your feet.
Anti-static, so if you're an electrician. Oil resistant, 100% waterproof and breathable. Yeah, looks really good.
The only thing I could say, these nubuck.
So
you can treat these if you want to clean them immediately. They're really comfortable.
So if you drew the laces up on them and see if they fit you, because you're size 12 feet. Yeah. So if you do the laces up and just see if they...
I just know from experience that if you're buying work boots or shoes, just go a size bigger. Because what you don't want, if you especially got steel toe caps, you don't want that rubbing against your toes at the end.
It'd be nice if the dog would move out of the way. That'd be nice.
The dog you can see is Poppy. She works in customer services. And that's her part-time job. Her other part-time job is
guarding.
Producer.
Okay, so they're all done up. So if we have a walk round a bit, see what sort of, if they feel nice.
I'll tell you what. You know some shoes you get and they're really stiff and horrible. You'd think you'd have these.
So that was what I was going to say. I was going to say, do they feel like you could just go out to work with them without having to break them in?
Bit at the back to start with. Of course, that's going to be like that.
Yeah.
But that you could put these on and start working.
Yeah. You could tip-tap-toe your way to work. So what more can we say about these really, apart from what we've said? We said the materials they're made out of, the features.
When I'm bending like that, they're comfortable. So if you were bending like that...
You were working on a piece of machinery or
are they? Are the steel toe cap sticking in? No.
No.
Because I've had that with boots before as well.
So let's have a look at how they look on your feet. So obviously these are quite an investment to buy. You know, they're not the cheapest thing in the world. So that's what they look like. You just flip it round. And the other thing to mention is they are available in black.
I'm raising my foot because
we've got a dog in the way who's trying to get involved. Yeah, so they are available in black or brown. I guess it's personal choice really. Yeah, what more can we say about them really?
Real good quality, well made, comfortable.
Comfortable straight out of the box, which is important.
Let's do the slip test. This is not a scientific test, but this is laminate floor.
And it's got plenty of grip, which you'd expect.
That's what I'm saying, I'm trying to...
Yeah.
So that would work. So we've got two John Russells trying to... Come here.
Right, anyway, Anyway, so we'll wrap this video up. So that's the DeWALT...
shoes.
Sympatex work boots. I hope this video is helpful to you.
Excuse me. I'll just say, if this has helped you to move safely along while watching this video and move safely along at work, we'd appreciate if you'd like to subscribe to our channel and help us move along a little bit. Thank you.
We'll just have a quick look at the Amazon listing. As I say, that's them there. And as you can see, they look pretty.
Yeah, I mean,
pretty like nice, they do in person.
They're real nice. I'm real happy with these.
And there's sizes available, lots of sizes available, all the way from 8, well from 6, all the way from 12, and there's the black ones as well.
These last few years, it's just, you'll never buy another pair to look after.
Right, thanks for watching guys. We hope you found this video helpful if you think about buying these DeWALT work boots.